In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices on Notion. Whether you're trying to maintain your privacy, enhance security, or simply ensure that you're not signed in on devices you're no longer using, knowing how to log out of all devices on Notion is a handy skill. So let's dive right in and make sure your Notion account is as secure as possible. To begin this process, you'll first need to open the Notion app or website and sign into your account. This step is pretty straightforward. You just use your usual login credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see a left sidebar filled with various options. From this sidebar, you'll want to click on Settings. This area is where you'll manage most of your account settings, so it's always good to familiarize yourself with what's available here. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the section labeled My Account, or sometimes simply Account. This is your central hub for managing your personal Notion details. You might have noticed that Notion, like many apps and services, keeps track of your active sessions. These are essentially records of your signed-in sessions across different devices. It's in this section where we'll perform the main task. Within the My Account section, look for something that either says Active Sessions or Device Manager. This is where Notion lists all the devices where your account is currently logged in. This feature is particularly useful if you've logged in from different gadgets, perhaps your work computer, phone, or even a shared device at times. It's always a good idea to routinely check this list to ensure your account's security and to sign out from any device you no longer use. Once you've found the Active Sessions or Device Manager area, you're almost there. Look for the option that says Log Out of All Devices. By clicking this, you're telling Notion to sign you out of every instance where your account is currently active, aside from the one you're currently using. It's a sweeping security measure that can prevent unauthorized access if, for example, you've recently lost a device or suspect unauthorized use. After clicking Log Out of All Devices, you'll need to confirm your choice. This step is crucial as it verifies that you indeed wish to proceed with logging out from all devices. It's a simple confirmation prompt, and once you approve it, Notion will start the process of signing you out from everywhere except your current session. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully logged out your Notion account from all other devices. Regularly checking and managing your active sessions is an excellent habit to maintain as part of your digital security practices. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy guides.